It's about 3:30 Easter Sunday, April 20th, and we got some storms heading this way, and I've got dancing treetops because of the wind. Already picked up 2 inches of rain yesterday, so I guess there'll be more on the way, so waiting to see what happens. Okay, it's now 4:30. Winds are picking up. Line of storms are just to the west of me here. But I don't think the front line has quite yet made it yet. Okay, 4:35, things are getting really dark. Kind of getting that weird hue to the sky. And we are now been issued a tornado warning, possibly 11 miles west of Ava, which would just be, I don't know, maybe 5-7 miles as the crow flies from where I'm at right now. But right now where I'm at, I'm not seeing anything off to the west. And actually, even the wind has gotten really still here. Okay, and the clouds above, yeah, they're really starting to race by. Okay, definitely getting closer here. Things are just really starting to turn from okay to bad. And these are the clouds out ahead of it. They're racing off. I don't even know if this camera can show you just how dark and like an eerie gray blue stuff this is. It is. It's just like a weird green blue misty haze in the air as this rain is coming through. This is I wish it would show up the color because it is the craziest looking stuff I've ever seen. There's another gust of wind. Wind, big wind. Here comes some major big wind. It's just blowing it. See, it's so crazy looking. You can see the outline of the trees, but you can't see the field back behind the trees. Okay, a good portion of it now is starting to pass, but as it did, there was a flash of lightning. No kapow. Just a flash of lightning, and then my power went out. So, don't know what to say about that. So, I think it's past me, but it looks like a lot of this, bulk of this storm is heading up into Wright County. So, that's about it. Well, there's that pretty green field that you could not see earlier. I'm really surprised it actually dumped 3/4 of an inch of rain in like 30 minutes. So altogether I'm at 2 3/4 inches of rain since yesterday morning. So that's not bad. That's nothing crazy. But it's pretty calm out here. right now. Still got some clouds off to the west. But at least for now, it's over. Well, I guess that last 3/4 inches of rain was enough to get things going again. So the creek is swelled up. This is the end of my drive. See how it's just backed up there by the road? Has no place to go. Absolutely has no place to go. Keeps rising. It could, but I don't know. It's just created, I guess, Niagara Falls here at the end of the drive. This is Spring Creek over in the Smollett area. Well, while I'm down here, see the pretty buckeye in bloom? That's a buckeye tree. Pretty blooms on it. I don't want to get any closer because the water's right there at the edge of the hill here. And it's starting to splash over the top of my slab. Yeah, there's a big, huge tunnel culvert underneath this slab. But there's just too much water. It just... can't go through. A pretty buckeye. Here's a shot how it shoots out of the other side of the big culvert underneath on my slab. And it's just created its own little waterfalls. There's the cows. The moo cows. But see how it's circulating and pooling? Because of, I got a hard armor across the other way. And it just, ain't got no place to go. It looks like the old rock wall there is even starting to give way. Bad news. The cows.